This is King of Kings in the key of C, and it is by Brooke and Scott Ligertwood and Jason Ingram. As always, stop the video right now, click on the description of the video, and I have the chord sheet for you to be able to print out and follow along with me. So this is the most simple way to play this song. In the key of C, we have three main chords, C, F, G, and then we have our A minor. So let's just break out those chords real quick. C chord is made up of C, E, G. F chord, F, A, C. G chord, just move your hand up one note, G, B, D. A minor, move up your hand one more note, A, C, E. And I'm just tucking fingers 2 and 4 out of the way for you. There's an A minor. Okay, so we have our C chord, F chord, G, and A minor. Okay, the right hand is going to be playing those chords. Left hand, you could just put on C, line up your 5 fingers, and you don't have to move this hand the whole song. So play C with a C chord. Then you play F with F in the bass, G, G single note, A minor, and A single note. Pretty simple, okay? The rhythm that I'm going to do to bring the 2 hands together is like this. We're going to go together, then just the right hand. Together, right. Together, right, together, right. You could practice that on any of the chords. Here's an F chord. Nice, steady marching rhythm. Pretty simple. G chord, and then A chord, A minor, I should say. Okay? All right, I'm going to add in some vocals so you kind of get an idea of how it can sound, okay? In the verse 1, which most of the verses just repeat themselves, so it's very simple that way as well. Okay. In the darkness we were waiting, without hope, without light, till from heaven you came running. There was mercy in your eyes. Together, right. Together, right. Together, right. So it's just a really simple thing. So let's go back to the 3rd line there. To fulfill the law and prophets, to a virgin came the word. From a C of endless F to a G in the C. Okay, and then it goes into the chorus. Praise the Father, F. Praise the Son, A minor. Praise the Spirit, 3 in 1, G there. God, C, God of glory, majesty, praise forever to the King of Kings. Okay, I'm going to show you verse 2. Actually, I'm going to jump to verse 3 because verse 1 and 3 and 4 are all the same. All you're doing is C, F, G, and back to the C. That's your pattern. The 3rd verse, they kind of throw in an A minor, or you can throw in, this is not the original key that they played in, but that is way too high for me to sing. Plus, I think the original key is like an E flat to play in, and that's much too complicated for what I like to teach, which is simple. Okay, so verse 3 has an A minor in the beginning of the verse instead of that C. So it goes A minor, F, G, and then to the C. That's the pattern for the whole verse 3. So let's just walk through verse 3. And the morning that you rose, all of G held its C, till that stone was moved for good, for the G it conquered C. And the dead rose from their tombs, and the angels stood in awe, for the souls of all who'd come to the Father are restored. Together, right. Praise the Father, F, the Son, A minor. Praise the Spirit, G, 3 in 1, C. God of glory, F, majesty, A minor. Praise for F to the G, C. beautiful song. I hope you guys have fun with this one. Beginning to end, I'm going to play it for you. Here we go. In the darkness we were waiting, without hope, without light, till from heaven you came running, and was mercy in your eyes, to fulfill the law and prophets. To a virgin came the word, from a throne of endless glory to a cradle in the dirt. And praise the Father, praise the Son, and praise the Spirit, three in one. And God of glory, majesty, praise forever to the King of Kings, to reveal the kingdom coming, and to reconcile the lost, to redeem the whole creation. You did not despise the cross, for even in your suffering you saw to the other side, knowing this was our salvation. Jesus, for our sake you died. In the morning that you rose, all of heaven held its breath, till that stone was moved for good, for the Lamb had conquered death. And the dead rose from their tombs, and the angels stood in awe, for the souls of all who'd come to the Father are restored. And praise the Father, praise the Son, praise the Spirit, three in one. And God of glory, majesty, praise forever to the King of Kings. And the Church of Christ was born, then the Spirit lit the flame. Now this gospel truth of old shall not kneel, shall not faint. By his blood and in his name, in his freedom I am free. For the love of Jesus Christ, who has rescued